Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little unboxing video, but if you're in the market for a helmet that is under £200, I think we found probably the best helmet for that price range. So guys, the helmet we are talking of is the LS2 Vector II. And as you can see from the rear of the box, it is ECE 2206, which means it is the latest standard of the safety checks, obviously replacing 2205. So, let's have a quick unboxing to see what you actually get for the helmet, for the money, and what was also in the box. So, upon opening, put this down here, got this beautiful bag. Bloody hell is that? I don't know what that is. Few different things in here. Right, so the LS2 Vector II. So upon opening the box, you have the helmet in the bag. Comes with a drawstring and obviously bag protector. And then if we open this up, we've got one said helmet. And a very nice bag. Looks very aerodynamic. We've gone for a size small because this helmet is going to be Cameron's new helmet, and I'll explain why we've gone for that. Now obviously Cameron's helmet there, the Frank Thomas one, as you can see in the background, is a very basic helmet. I think it cost us about £80. One, he's nearly outgrown it already. He's in an extra small adult. He has now got the same size head as me, and we're in a small. But also, we have purchased an intercom system for him, so there is no outcuts. Now, after doing a lot of research, going and checking out a few helmets, we have found. So going on to the first thing about this is, this helmet does have the outcuts for you to have speakers put in where they're going to be pushed back and not be playing havoc on your ears. So that was one of the major things that we went for. Also, upon looking in on the inside, there is plenty of padding, loads of padding. You've also got emergency pull cords. So in the case of an emergency, pull these, all of the interior comes out. You've also got the neck buff thing. I don't know what the actual correct term is, but you've got the neck buff. And you've also got a breath deflector. Now, one thing Cameron really wanted was he wanted a tinted visor. Obviously I've got a tinted visor and he wanted to be the same as me, he wanted a tinted visor. Now obviously for Cameron, yeah, we could probably get away with having a tinted visor, but then if we are riding at night, he's not really going to see anything at all. Like, I will change my visor to my clear visor at night. But to kill two birds with one stone, he does now have a drop down sun visor, which he thought was even better. So he's happy with that. Now I will say the positioning of the slider, which is just there, is not in the best place, especially when we're going to be putting his intercom system on the side of the helmet here, as that potentially could get in the way. Majority of his sliders are normally on the top side here or on the very top there. So moving on to the actual visor itself. First time I've ever come across this, but it is a push button in push and lift, and you've got your first setting there. Obviously sits, allow a bit of wind breeze to come through, but then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 settings on it. Plenty of field of view, and like I said, absolutely loads of padding on this helmet. If you look at the front of the helmet, we've got 2 air vents. So again, this is going to create a lot of circulation in the helmet. And up on the top, again, 1 and 2. Well, we've got another 2 air vents at the top, and at the rear we've got 2 exhausts. On the rear of the helmet, obviously you've got your sticker that is needed on the helmet to make it legal in the UK. But again, it also does have the ECE 2206 sticker on it, which is obviously telling us that this has now been tested to the latest standards for safety. The helmet comes in at 1450 grams. So this helmet, I think, is actually only a little bit heavier than my SHOEI helmet. So it's quite a light helmet. Upon looking on the inside, we have got the ratchet system with what they're calling smart pull tab, which is magnetic, so it just clips back in, and obviously quick pull and out. And there is an elasticated band just over the top of that with the magnet there, so that just goes back in, quick and easy, which Cameron loves for doing up his helmet. The design, personally, I think it looks amazing. I think it looks very sleek, it looks very aerodynamic, and for the price, it doesn't look like a budget helmet to me, which is the class that it comes in. It comes in as a budget helmet. Like I said, this at time of purchase was £179, and for that price you're getting a lot of helmet really. Also, what is included in the box is a pin lock, so you don't have to go and buy a separate pin lock. There is one included in it. If you buy from a retailer, we bought ours from a sports bike shop. They actually fitted the pin lock for us. I know it's easy enough to do yourself, but they fitted that for us, which is in and ready to use. The screen, I believe, is also fog resistant. So even if you didn't have the pin lock in, it is meant to already have a fog resistant layer on there, but everyone knows pin lock is better. It also has, for everybody or anybody who does wear glasses or wants to wear sunglasses, it does have the what would you call it? It's got the slats, the outcuts there ready for your glasses to slip in and to be comfortable. I have no idea what is in this bag, so let's have a look. Where do you have these? Oh, okay then. So this is actually a helmet support. What? Ooh, put that in back into there. That is absolutely amazing. First time I've ever seen that, and I believe everybody should be given these. That came in the box with it. So for when we are working on a helmet or fitting intercom systems, they've put in a pillow that is self-inflating for you to rest your helmet on, so you can work. So obviously you're not going to damage the helmet. Me personally, I normally wrap up a tea towel into a circle, into that shape, and I work on it there. That is amazing. Oh guys, I don't know if you can work that out there actually. It is also a HPFC, which is high performance fibre composite. To me, honestly, I'm absolutely blown away by the spec of this helmet. And for sub £200. So just a very, very quick video on the unboxing of the LS2 Vector II helmet. Obviously it does come in numerous different colours. We chose to go for white, with it being Cameron. White is easily seen. They do have different numerous ones Kay, I think, liked the tropical helmet, which looked absolutely amazing. That one I think is a £10 dearer. I think that's on the market at the minute for £199. But for a sub £200 helmet, you are getting a lot of helmet. There is so much padding in here. It looks absolutely... Tell you what, it is the same size helmet I wear. So if I put this on, I think that'll get a little bit... Lifting that visor is going to take a little bit of getting used to, but the fit is absolutely amazing. I'm actually really impressed with this helmet. Nice and easy, like I said, nice and easy. Ratchet strap, done up. Quick magnetic pull, out, done. Fast, easy, quick, drop down visor. It feels a very comfortable helmet to wear. So guys, could this be your next helmet? For under £200, it definitely gets high rating from me. But I'm not the person who's got to wear it. We'll get the comm system set up and everything in there for him. We'll take him out for a ride and we shall see how he feels about it. So guys, I hope this one's just been a little bit of information for you, and if you are in the market for a new helmet, please do not overlook this helmet, LS2 Vector II. For the price, you are getting a lot of helmet. Right guys, I hope you like this one, and I hope to see you out there.